Oba Elegushi is not innocent at all. Yes, Oba Elegushi is not. Naira Marley could be innocent, but Sam Larry is not. Sam Larry has been using Oba Elegushi's influence to bully Mo. Guys, watch this video. Watch more evidence rolling out. Watch this video, like and subscribe to the channel.
Did not know the name of the surname of this guy. What's his name? That Naira Marley guy. Samilari. So he said Samilari Elegushi because he did not know his last name. So in that petition, he said Samilari was bragging because he knows Samilari used to be around the Elegushi side. Maybe back in the day, Samilari used to be the gate man at the beach. And all stuff like that, So that was the connection that Mohbad used, thinking that and he probably hold on for because he used to be on the beach. So all the financial they are farming farms, and then you will see the love of a artist with Elegushi. Elegushi is a young boy. He's a young dude. Okay, I don't think he's up to 50 yet. He's a young dude, so he's still with a lot of celebrities and all stuff like that. So, Mohbad wrote that petition. Bossman, calm down with Elegushi. UKID. No, don't forget. See, bro, I am responsible. Hold on, please. Hold on. I just want to clarify this. Everything I said. Please don't hold it on the host. Hold it on the one person saying it, which is the boss man. I am responsible on everything that come out of my mouth today. Everything you see on this platform, don't take it on them. Take it on me, boss man. Okay, I'm the one talking here. I'm only using the platform as a medium to speak. Okay, so you're setting there. Also, hold on.
I have a question.
Hold on, please. Let me just finish what I'm trying to say. Now, he said he was being beaten. If you go through the paperwork very well, he said Sam Larry was claiming that he was being sent by Elegushi, whereas Elegushi has responded twice. Number one, he came online one day and he said, Elegushi, I was on that platform. That was in 2023, and another one 2024. Then another one came again where, the first one he came, he said he denounced Sam Larry. Number one. Okay? He said Sam Larry was never a member, or is not a member of Elegushi dynasty, or Elegushi's family. He said he was just very close to some artists, and people always come around him, and because he loves artists and young, vibrant youth, and then people just want to claim that they are part of the white blah blah. He doesn't know that, and he said the police to go ahead and do whatever they want to do with Sam Larry. The evidence there on Google. He responded twice. Okay? And the second one was on 2024. Alright? He wrote another one about when they were saying that he was the one that fathered Liam. He wrote another disclaimer saying that he's not the father of Liam. And he said the police, that anything that police need from him, he's ready to cooperate with them, and it said that he's not going to work on anything. See, let me just pause right there. According to what I have found, I might be wrong. I have not seen anything that links to Elegushi. If you talk about other Obas, there were some other Obas, yes, but that Elegushi side, as of today, I've not seen any link. But the prominent members of the socialite in Lagos State or in Nigeria, oh yes, that does not want justice to happen. So people from the movie side, I'm not fighting with them. I know that some of them might not really know some things, or maybe some people that are actually holding platform might not be telling them the truth, or maybe because some people were supporting the wife because so they believe that people were bullying the son, and then the mother of the son of Liam. All right. So because of that, he said supporting them.
Okay, Bossman, good afternoon. I have two questions for you. Number one, Super Vibes asked you about the recording of Spende, and the Spende's recording that you said have. And you said you posted it on your page. I checked it was there. Can you play the recording for us? Let us hear with our own ears. Can you play the recording for us? That's number one. Number two, can you mention the names of these obas and top or prominent people you're talking about? Name their names. Let us know them. At this point, why are you still hiding? Name them. Please, number one, play the recording. You said it's on your page. I checked and it is not there. Can you play the recording?
You need to go and check very well. Okay, number one. Number two, you're asking me to mention. It is there. Go ahead and do that. Number two, hold on. You're asking me to mention names of some of the prominent members or whatever. So, is that the way that you know how to do your things? Naked people are popular. To mention names.
You can't name them and you cannot play them.
Number one, are you talking on your real account?
Pastor, hold on. Are you saying that there are no obas? Are you saying there are no obas? Because I will tell you there are obas.
They are obas. I just said it now. They are obas. But she's telling me to mention names.
Why can't you name them at this point? Why are you covering them? Because you're covering them. That's what you're doing. You're covering them. And why can't you play the recording? We can't see it. Can you do us on the table and play the recording? Please, we want to even
Chairman, since you said that it's over, can you mention answer that second question? Can you
signpost the recording? Let's look for the recording.
I'm sorry. Chairman, bossman, and bossman. Sorry. Don't let this woman or lady sees you people. You understand? Check that profile. One follower, one follower.
Don't worry. I know I'm very important. Don't worry. I know how to answer.
By now, you should know this kind of game. That particular recording they are talking about is a subject to investigation. So if she's in get that, let her go extra length to get it. This answer is in his page since last year. Go to there and go and look for it. Don't say anything for anybody. Let him go, let her go and search for it. At this point of J4M, one follower, one following.
Hey, bossman. Can I talk? I want to talk to the chairman. Hello, chairman. I want to talk to you. I want to talk to the chairman.
Please. I want to ask Bossman a question, please. Then I'll just talk. Bossman, I've been listening to you, right? Now, I'm not asking you to name any Oba that is having influence in this case. But on another side, I don't want you to defend Oba Elegushi either. The way you are working on this case, other people is working on this case too. So please, you're not ready to name any Oba that is involved in this case. Don't be quick to defend Oba Elegushi too. That's the only thing I came up with.
Thank you, Mama. God bless you, Mama.
Yeah.
But please,
Can I just come in here, please?
Stop grammar, hold on 1 second, man. From here on going on, please. Nobody should mention Elegushi name on my page again.
Not even any Oba. No Oba should be mentioned.
Nobody.
When they come in there now and they start all their rubbish
on my platform.
Why would anybody ask them to name Obas?
Disclaimer.
Once they know the names of the Obas, let them name them themselves. Shebi, you have platform. Chairman,
Okay, good. Nobody should name any Oba on my platform.
What nonsense? That was even bad for my one.
For your point of correction, I didn't name nobody Oba. I just came
I
up
know.
I'm not talking about you. I'm not even talking to you, super Susie or whatever.
I don't want anybody to discuss
What nonsense?
anything that has to do with Oba.
Go to your platform and talk about Obas.
So I don't want anybody to discuss anything like Oba on my own platform. I am a prince myself. So don't discuss.
One idiot just came there now and started saying they should name Obas. I want more nonsense. Osman, continue with your line of thought. We are listening.
I was just saying, and like I said, if you listen to me very well, I'm not saying you should believe what I am saying. I'm only telling you about what I have, and I am not saying that what I have supersedes what you have. So I was talking about the facts on what I have. Petition that is in the on the beginning of it, but I can't
Osman, if I may advise you, you open the kangaroo wow. You shouldn't have mentioned senators or others. Even mentioning their reputation is also tantamount to mentioning their names.
No.
You started this.
I'm a king myself.
Correct yourself.
No.
Next time. We only have so many of us in Lagos. We have senators. Man in the middle.
There are lots of robbers. I'm a king.
The truth about this matter is this.
No, man. Don't mention that.
This thing is beyond all what we are talking on this social media. By the time you are opportune to go deeper, then you will know that it's more than all of this. You understand? So,
and that's just the way it is. So, the part of the recording that you guys are talking about.
You still accept. I still want you to. Thank God the host has said everybody should mention any of us name platform. But I want you to put it in your mind. Sometimes when you talk too much, you say,
I was only
mention about we only have 3 senators.
Hold on now.
We only have but so many of us.
Do you know how many of us we have in Nigeria?
These people should be respected. You don't have anything else. You didn't respect. You should respect the others and the senators unless you are ready to face the piper. And that is what those saying, that don't mention them. You went too far and you should accept that and move on. Thank you.
Not too far about this man in the middle. I said, I was talking about the name that just mentioned, that about the petition that was wrote, that the mobile wrote before he passed away. And I was talking about Elegushi also wrote a counter disclaimer that maybe people were not aware of it. And that's what I said.
I'm in those direction now. But I'll leave it at that.
I don't know why you're trying to instigate what is not necessary, man in the media. I understand what you're trying to do. You're trying to instigate war. That is what you are doing. That is what you are doing.
I'm not instigating. You are the one.
I was saying something everybody understands.
You are the one. I'm not instigating. Osman. But yeah, let's move to another topic. Move away from that. Let's kill it. Move away from that, please.
Back to the story like that. Okay. So people were asking about if there's going to be play the voice of most who are the accuracy again. So that's the beginning of this conversation. So that people will know how he got here.
Osman, don't talk about that matter. Leave it. Osman, don't talk about that matter. Leave it. I was there. So they just do traditional engagement. So that's it.
Okay, Baba, African TV. Baba, question here is a very legal question. Question here is very legal. Mofeke was very precise. Did you or Mosaic, did you guys pay dowry to Wumi's family in a Yoruba?
Yes.
You know Yoruba. You know when there is a wedding, different from knocking on the door. Mommy Mwe is different from marriage. Did your family pay dowry to Wumi's mother or father for marriage?
Yes.
So you guys paid?
We paid.
Okay, so that means they are traditionally married. That means they are traditionally married.
Yeah,
I need to clear that.
This is the person you are looking for, called Bolu Atife. This is where you are looking for Adura. This is where you are looking for. So that is the only reason why someone like me will be there. The only person that effect arrest in all of this is the police. Police arrest. So all this talk, they dehumanize, they do this, and they are coming to complain to you here. They are supposed to complain to the police.
if the police arrest him. And Spending was not arrested by any police other than the Inspector General of Police. Because the officers under him are arresting him under his instruction. He gave the directive. So, if they have any complaint of how Spending is being treated, or whatever it is, whether they have evidence, they should complain to the Inspector General of Police, go to court, or to the Police Service Commission. Do you understand? They are deceiving you by saying they went to go and report in one Alagbo or in Zone 2. It's disgusting. You cannot report an IG officer.
Richie, you can bring him up back, but he needs to behave himself. Let's hear
No. Mr. Rishi, I think we're missing. Stop this now, please.
Stop Bukini. You have to
Please.
It's this for that. He said they're going to arrest Yomi, so Yomi has to
So how did that come? Yomi, for the question, please. I like the way you're trying to explain these things. I was listening to Comrade Mose 3 days ago, and there's something that's posted by the own organization, UAG or something like that. I read all those things, their communication with the police. And now you are now saying that whatever communication they have with the police is false. Is that what you're saying? Or is hoax? There's nothing true about it.
What did you say you read? Take the story again.
If you look, I was just streaming on this GFM, and there's a publication, one of the bloggers, about UAG. That's the organization.
UAG? What's H?
UAG. That's the abbreviation.
UAD.
AG for goat. Yeah.
UAG.
Anyway.
Just the name of this thing. Maybe.
If I find it, I can forward it to you. Anyway, it's not.
No, is it an abbreviation or you're trying to code it?
It's an abbreviation, yes.
Yeah.
It's an abbreviation.
Okay, what happened to them?
They give an extensive narrative about the communication, what they're doing, right? About this arresting and all that. And with what is happening, you know,
Hold on, let me just say something. Actually, I will let you go.
Yeah.
You push not bring that Chihuahua up here. Let Chihuahua go where he belongs.
Drop it. Right, thank you. So now, what I'm struggling with in my own sense, is the fact that these people listen to Comrade Musa and all that. They have a very strong, I would say maybe you can call it evidence, right? They are the one that arrested Spending. Yeah. And they're the one that brought Spending to Abuja. And at the same time, they don't have the audacity to dictate for the police how Spending should be treated. It's in the hands of the police force. You can't tell the police, discipline, you do this. I mean, that's absurd. So now this is now what brought me to the question that if this is what has been said about humanization, right? It would be nice to have, like I said, compelling evidence. This is what happened. Only Spending can do that, right? I believe maybe we'll do that efficiently well. And you rightly said, one minute, and you rightly said, like what you said, if you want to take it on anybody, it will be the police themselves. Okay. Right? It's the police that need to call up. So why did you do this to this guy? So Damola was comfortable, right? Was comfy going to Abuja. That's not an issue. He just been deprived of his freedom. Yeah, he was being deprived of his freedom. So now, out on these other people on the ground subject spending to this kind of, if that is true, to this kind of humanization.
And now let me tell you now, let me just tell you, it is because people want to hold some session and talk on TikTok. Even if
but sometimes if you give me contact, I'm happy to contact police in Abuja. I'm not gonna share it.
Even if you come out today and say it was United Nations that arrested Spending, are you saying?
Yeah.
It is the Nigerian police that would effect the arrest. They are the ones looking for him. They are the ones that will have to arrest him. One thing that you need to know is this: if it is Mohbad's murder case and it's being handled by one team, they cannot be working with two different NGO at the same time. It's absurdity. At the same time, they collapsed everybody. They must have collapsed everybody together. But I can tell you, I'm not in competition with anybody. That's why I don't discuss what they are doing. I don't know what they are doing. The only time and the only reason they went to lift the case file from Lagos, which of course the OC homicide in Lagos told me that was in the directive, the signal that they got is based on your petition to the president. And I can tell you for free, all these things that you are seeing that they are doing in Abuja, I can tell you categorically, apart from the president, only the Inspector General of Police can say, go and do this thing. But as it is, the Inspector General of Police that we know, we don't have to deceive ourselves. Ordinarily by himself, with those involved in that matter in Lagos, he is not going to touch it.
Maybe what I was saying, maybe you need to see the history of this anyway. I'll leave it to you.
Baba, I'm not even interested inside you. I'm just telling you the reality. Whether it's them that have the accent of a president is the best one. It's a reality. It's overriding on anybody. It's even an insult when you hear the presidency. It's overriding on anybody's directive or order. It's just because people are doing social media, this TikTok and you are talking. If you look at governance, council chairman, minister, IG, it's becoming new setting when you hear president. Order to February. Now,
okay. Now, if I'm calling up the police, am I wrong to do that?
No, you're not wrong. Now, this is what I want to tell you. When you're not saying the dehumanization, and the people that effect the arrest, even let's assume this group were responsible for probably they wrote a petition, and it was based on the petition they went to arrest Spending. Are you saying? You cannot hold them responsible for the action of the police at the point of arrest.
Mr. Yomi, can you please explain presidency to some people? Because a lot of them are thinking it's the president. I don't know why they don't understand.
What they don't understand is this. When you write a letter to the president and it gets to that office, when they look into it, the person that received the letter, there are classified correspondence that goes to the president. There are some, the chief of staff will take care of it. So some, the minister, the secretary to the president, to the federal government to look into it. But it must come to the office of the president. Some, they will just go to him and say, minute on it, sir. This is what is happening. They will explain to him, he will minute. Because he received nothing less than 2,000 letters in a day. Do you understand? But everybody has their own department. That this is your core area. Your advice is what I will follow. Because when you are bringing the stuff to me, it's to us. But you are acting in my capacity as my special advisor. Like national security advisor now. If he comes and says, sir, we need to raise 50 army to quickly go to social place because we hear they want to bomb somewhere. And he said, approve it, sir. The president will minute on that memo. Yes, approved. Trusting his special advisor. Because he has given verbal details. He will meet the next person. Who is the next person there? What's going on there? He gave the order. Hoping that this one that you brought it to me, you saw the need for me to act on this. So it's coming from the presidency. It is the office of the president. So that is it. And it's overriding.
how people are clear on that now, because they kept thinking it's the president himself that gave the order. I don't know why they don't understand.
Yes, he will give the order, but he has to be briefed.
Yes, he has to be briefed, but it's...
and he must sign. He must approve it. His signature must be on it. Because if anybody do anything behind him, that person is gone. He cannot use the name of a president to do anything, because if they want to appoint a minister, if an ambassador is coming, if they want to give an ambassador, it's for the presidency. President hardly writes direct and say, President, only special reason will you see the president name direct is the presidency they use for the office of a president. But
the only thing I would say, just to, I know that we all believe that this case is in Lagos, and for IG office to be attending to your concern, then there must be a directive from somewhere. I agree with that.
There is even a directive.
Yeah.
You will see the video I'm going to be releasing tomorrow. Maybe all these people will keep quiet. And I can tell you for free, the only directive that made the FCID, the IG, to send his officers to Lagos is because the directive was in the memo, the bundle they took to Lagos, that this is the authority from above, that we should take all the case file, we must duplicate everything you have done, that we should go back to the case and revisit it. And now it's now active in Lagos, in Abuja. And when they finish all the round work, the Abuja people...
So it's not that the case was never moved from Lagos. There was just zero copy to look into it at the top.
Let me explain. You are not getting it. They finished, Lagos State have finished whatever they are doing. But it's still the same police. Whether it is Lagos police or Abuja, but the person that owns police, if the president has interest in that case, he won't go and take it from his office. He will send the IG that he appointed. The in charge of police are appointed to be the IG. So go and take the case. They will take it. They've taken it away from them because they've already finished in Lagos. The police in Lagos are finished. They said we are done. The two people that we see have questions to answer is spending and the nurse. They put them. Corona inquest finished.
So is it fair to say that this ongoing investigation will not stop the Lagos State process, judicial process, arranging spending and the nurse?
No, it can't stop them until eventually. Now, the only thing it can stop. Let me explain how it can stop. Immediately they are done with this investigation in Abuja, and they realize that, okay, they are charging spending for just dropping number. If the investigation in Abuja eventually showed that it was, let's take for instance, spending broke Boba's neck, that is a different charge. At the end of the day, they might take them back to Lagos and ask the same police that is charging spending, say, now, before that same court, now adjust your charges. Then they will change everything. They will just pack them from Abuja, all of them. If they want it to come back to Lagos, they will pack all of them with new charges.
Let's go and go olólùfẹ́ justice from bad. Ẹ jọ̀ọ́ kí lẹ ti rí sí. Ẹ bá mi fi ọkàn yín hàn lábẹ́ comment section. Fún ẹ̀yin tó yẹ pé gbà àkọ́kọ́ lè léyìí tẹ́ kọ́ máa kàn sí page. Ẹ bá mi subscribe sí Eleele Global TV. Kẹ́ dẹ̀ bá mi share fídíò ìgbẹ́ ṣe máa ń bá mi share. Ẹ bá mi share. Mo tún padà bọ̀. Ire o.